Ever wondered if your bank is truly local? Thinking Face specifically, is Westpac a New Zealand company? It's a common question, especially with so many multinational corporations these days. You see their branches everywhere in New Zealand, their branding is familiar, and they've been a part of the landscape for ages. So, surely, they're a Kiwi firm, right? Well, the answer is a little more nuanced than a simple yes or no, and it delves into the interesting world of international banking and corporate structures. Let's break it down. The perception of Westpac as a purely New Zealand entity is understandable. They've been a fixture in the country since 1861, originally as the Bank of New South Wales. That's a serious legacy. They've grown with New Zealand, through economic booms and busts, adapting and expanding to serve generations of Kiwis. In 1996, they further solidified their presence by acquiring Trust Bank, significantly boosting their New Zealand operations. They've also been the banker for the New Zealand government, which certainly adds to that local feel. However, the reality is that Westpac New Zealand is a subsidiary of the Australian Westpac Banking Corporation. The parent company, Westpac Banking Corporation, is an Australian multinational banking and financial services company headquartered in Sydney, Australia. It's actually Australia's first and oldest banking institution, established way back in 1817. So, while Westpac New Zealand has a strong local identity and operates largely independently, its ultimate ownership lies across the Tasman Sea. Now, this doesn't mean Westpac New Zealand is just a carbon copy of its Australian parent. Far from it. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand, the country's central bank and banking regulator, has played a significant role in ensuring Westpac New Zealand operates with a high degree of independence. In fact, in 2004, the Reserve Bank required Westpac to locally incorporate its New Zealand business. This means Westpac New Zealand Limited is a legally separate entity, specifically established to serve the New Zealand market and operate under New Zealand laws and regulations. This operational separation is a crucial point, as it ensures the bank primarily serves the interests of New Zealand customers and the New Zealand economy. So, what's the takeaway? Westpac is undoubtedly a major player in the New Zealand banking sector, one of the big four banks, serving over 1.3 million customers. It has a long and deep history in the country, with its own dedicated staff, branches, and services tailored to the New Zealand market. While it's owned by an Australian parent company, its New Zealand operations are structured to be largely self-sufficient and are regulated locally. Think of it like this: it's a New Zealand bank with an Australian parent company. It's a key part of New Zealand's financial landscape, despite its ultimate ownership structure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.